holds the button, and they're up. Harrod's Magic, 11 yan Queen. Then comes Joint Account, Swab Tiger running by the rail. True Account comes next. Then moving a party outside. Money Back, Cut Maze by the rail. So Gorgeous, Bruno and South Pearl is running at the tail of the field as they round towards the 3/4 mile distance. Port 4A, this one, Harrod's Magic leading the field, followed by the stablemate Joint Account. Swab Tiger is running in third, then followed by True Account, Money Bank, So Gorgeous, moving a party outside. 11 yan Queen running fourth last, moving out South Pearl, in between runners Bruno and Cat May now running at the tail of the field, about to pass the last 800. 4A leading the field, Harrod's Magic by about 3 lengths. Running now in second is Swab Tiger. Money Bank moving up to take third. Pass approaching Awadi outside is True Account. Joint Account fading out. So Gorgeous closing in. And Bruno as they race towards the last 450. This one leading the field, Harrod's Magic by only a next Swab Tiger moving a party outside. Together is True Account, Bruno and So Gorgeous as they action turn for home. Swab Tiger leading the field, True Account moving a party outside is Bruno, So Gorgeous. Swab Tiger leading the field, True Account, Bruno moving a party outside. Swab Tiger, Bruno, So Gorgeous. It's still Swab Tiger, So Gorgeous moving up, and Bruno, and finally Swab Tiger, Bruno, So Gorgeous, True Account. 4A, Harrod's Magic.
358